The Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP has released the names of the 17 people who tragically lost their lives in the horrific road accident that occurred on 22 July 2025 at Unyani Bridge along Seke Road in Chitungwiza. Sanabina mashoko obuda panguva ino ZRP release names aiwa victims pakati siya patsaona yakashamisa vanhu muvhiki rinori. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The accident, which involved a combi and a haulage truck, shocked the nation and has drawn widespread grief and cause for increased road safety. In a statement issued on 23 July 2025, police spokesperson Commissioner Ponyat confirmed the identities of the deceased were identified by their next of kin. The victims are Tatenda Celia 25, male of Rockview West Zingeza 5, Wishby Nganima 19, male of Nyatsime Chitungwiza, Letwini Wingwiri 52, female of St. John's Moramrewa, Frederick Jomo 39, male of Stoneridge Harare, Chantel Jere 3, female infant of St. Mary's Chitungwiza, Renford Jere 29, male of St. Mary's Chitungwiza, Prodigas Mugere 37, male of St. Mary's Chitungwiza, Tatenda Dokwani 25, male of Jamafo Zurua, Samantha Taderera 27, female of Zimre Park Harare, Sheila Nemasanko 58, female of Nyatsime Chitungwiza, Samantha Nyangani 32, female of Unity P Seke Chitungwiza, Emma Matare 32, female of Stoneridge Harare, Joshua Gutsa 7, male juvenile of Stoneridge Harare, Perpetua Kurwa 35, female of Stoneridge Harare, Anyway Mabuduru 26, male of Manyame Park Chitungwiza, Talent Wingwiri 18, male of St. John's Bora Mrewa, Mary Nyambiri 63, female of St. Mary's Chitungwiza. He took the opportunity to urge motorists across the country to prioritize road safety. Motorists are urged to be safety conscious while driving on the country roads. Above all, vehicles should be regularly serviced and checked to address mechanical issues for road safety. Yati stressed. The Chitungwiza crash has once again highlighted the urgent need for better road safety enforcement and vehicle maintenance, particularly on busy highways such as Seke Road. Ndo mashoko ari panguva ino itudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Panguva ino polisi ichiita basa rayo pamwechete nekureleasa mazita emavictims evakasakatika mutsaona iyi. Ina comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.